Namaste. I welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 22nd May 2021. First of all, let's have a look on Panchang. So I would request Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078, शक संवत 1943, आज वैशाख माह के शुक्ल पक्ष की दशमी एवं एकादशी तिथि है। अर्थात एकादशी का व्रत जिसे हम मोहिनी एकादशी के नाम से जानते हैं वह आज ही है। आज का नक्षत्र उत्तरा फाल्गुनी। आज का योग वज्र है। प्रविष्टि की यदि बात करें तो आज ज्येष्ठ माह के नवम प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह शव्वाल की आज 9वीं तारीख है। एकादशी का आज का व्रत केवल स्मार्त लोगों के लिए है। वैष्णव जनों के लिए यह व्रत कल अर्थात 23 मई को होगा। अब हम किस प्रकार से जान सकते हैं कि हम वैष्णव हैं अथवा स्मार्त? स्मार्त जन वे लोग होते हैं जो गृहस्थ आश्रम में रहते हुए पंचदेव की उपासना करते हैं, जैसे कि हम सभी लोग हैं। दूसरे जन वैष्णव होते हैं। वैष्णव वे लोग होते हैं जो किसी विशेष संप्रदाय द्वारा दीक्षा ग्रहण करने के बाद उनके नियमों का अनुसरण करते हैं। तो हम सभी स्मार्त की श्रेणी में आते हैं और हमारे लिए एकादशी का व्रत आज ही है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to start the prayer. So I would request all of you to close your eyes and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra.
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
All classes be ready for prayer.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing.
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ Be ready for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
Today is International Day of Biodiversity. So I would like to invite Swati Gill of 9th B to throw some light on this day. Namaste Swati.
Namaste, respectful sir, Vice Principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I'm Swati Gill of class 9th B from St. Vivekanand Millennium School. Biological diversity resources are the pillars upon which we build civilization. Today I'm going to throw some light on the importance of International Day of Biological Diversity. International Day of Biological Diversity is celebrated every year on 22nd of May. The United Nations has proclaimed this day to increase understanding and awareness of biodiversity's issue. One thing is certain that despite all our technological advances, we are completely dependent on healthy and vibrant ecosystem for our food, medicines, clothes, fuel, shelter and energy. A wide range of events are organized globally to increase the understanding of the important role of biodiversity in our future. The following activities would definitely enlighten the spirit of protecting our biodiversity. Translating booklets, leaflets, and other educational resources into local languages. Distributing information on biodiversities via schools, colleges, universities, newspaper, radio, and television. Exhibition and seminars for students, professional, and general public. Showing of movies on environmental issues, presentation of program to preserve endangered species or habitats, planting trees and other plants that help prevent erosion. I hope all of you would definitely save our biodiversity by all means. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you Swati. Now let's hear some interesting math facts from Nabia Faruqi of class plus 2 non-medical. Namaste Nabia.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I am Nabia Faruqi of Class 12 Non-Medical. I am here to share some interesting facts about infinity. Infinity, the concept of something that is unlimited, endless, without bound. Three main types of infinity may be distinguished as number 1, mathematical infinity, number 2, physical infinity, number 3, metaphysical infinity. Mathematical infinities occur, for instance, as the number of points on a continuous line or as the size of the endless sequence of counting numbers. The ancient Greek expressed infinity by the word epeiron, which has connotations of unbounded, indefinite, undefined, and formless. One of the earliest appearances of infinity in mathematics regards the ratio between the diagonal and the sides of square. Pythagoras and his followers initially believed that any aspect of the world would be expressed by an arrangement involving just the whole numbers, but they were surprised to discover that diagonals and sides of square are uncomparable. That is, their length cannot be expressed as whole number multiples. Example, in the case of a square with sides of length 1, the diagonal is root 2, written as 1.4142135562, where the ellipsis indicates an endless sequence of digits with no pattern. In mathematics, we can also get infinity when we divide any number by 0. When we talk about spatial and temporal concept, infinity occur in physics when one asks if there are infinitely many stars or if the universe will last forever. Metaphysical discussion of God or the absolute, there are questions of whether an ultimate entity must be infinite and whether lesser things could be infinite as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Nabia. Now, I would like to invite Ritisa Das of class 4th A to share a new word with us. Namaste, Ritisa.
Namaste, I am Ritisa of class 4th A from Saint Vivekanand Millennium School. The word of the day is conviction, which means a strong belief in something. I repeat my word, conviction, which means a strong belief in something. The synonyms are belief and confidence, and antonyms are disbelief and distrust. The sentence of the day is, it is my conviction that my friend will get a good job this year. I repeat my sentence. It is my conviction that my friend will get a good job this year. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you, Ritisa. Now, it's time to wish our birthday students. Today is the birthday of Raghav Sharma of class 3rd B, Shruti of class 6th A, and Akshat Gupta of class 7th A. Let's wish them by singing the birthday song. So I would request you all to sing with us and bless the students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Our principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers and parents all are giving their blessings to you. Once again, I wish you a very happy birthday. That's it in today's assembly. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Have a great day. Namaste.